Tired of aching wrists and hand fatigue after hours at your computer? Imagine typing effortlessly, with less pressure on your hands and wrists. This ergonomic keyboard and mouse set is designed to help you work comfortably, keeping your hands relaxed and your posture natural throughout the day. What makes this set stand out is its thoughtful design. The split-key keyboard separates keys into two groups for your left and right hands, reducing the awkward outward bending of your wrists. Paired with a wireless vertical mouse, it encourages a natural hand position that minimizes shoulder rotation and strain. Plus, the keyboard features quiet keys that are closer together, which means less hand movement, perfect if you have smaller hands or want to type more efficiently without stretching. Setup is simple with a single USB nano receiver that connects both keyboard and mouse, giving you a clean workspace and up to 30 feet of wireless range. The mouse offers adjustable DPI settings, 1000, 1500, or 2000, so you can customize sensitivity for precision or speed. The package also includes an armrest and a movable magnet for height adjustment, ensuring your setup fits your comfort needs. Compatible with Windows 7, 8, and 10, this plug-and-play kit requires no extra drivers, making installation hassle-free. If you're looking to reduce wrist pain and improve your typing posture, this ergonomic combo is worth a look. It's a compact, value-packed set designed to keep you comfortable during long workdays or gaming sessions. Quiet keys, ergonomic angles, and wireless freedom add up to a setup that feels tailored to your hands. Ready to upgrade your workspace and type with ease? Try this ergonomic keyboard and mouse set when you're ready to experience less strain and more comfort. It's a practical solution that could change how you feel after every hour at your desk.